Hi, Karen Hadler here, Independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. Thanks so much for stopping by. I really have a fantastic tip for you today. I want to share with you the most amazing way to mount your stamps onto the cling backing. It is such a foolproof way that I just had to share it with you. So I am going to use a very special stamp set to show this. So let's flip over and I will get started. And this is the stamp set, Beautiful Moments. This was designed by my team leader, Jackie Williams, and she is $1 million seller. So very, very proud to demonstrate this using this stamp set. Okay, so you need a nice clean block, and I will choose one obviously that I haven't used already. And I'm going to pop that out. Oops, got a bit of stamp on there. Oh. I am going to, as I say, pop this out. And I don't need that bit in the middle. And I am going to get the cling back section. I keep all my little masks in here in my stamp pad so that I have them here when I need to do some stamping with masking. So the sticky stays for quite a while, so it's quite good to be able to just store them in here and reuse them. Okay, let's grab the sticky. So I'm going to take the backing off. And there's another one. And whoops, we don't want the whole stamp, just want the backing. And so make sure your hands are clean when you do this. It is very, very sticky. So I'm going to pop the side down here that would be the side that is on the stamp, and I am going to pop this off. Not that it matters actually, because when I pop the stamp on, that will come off automatically. And there's a bit here. Let's just make sure I have everything. Now the next trick is to take the backing off your stamp. Always a good start, isn't it? And you are going to pop this down on your surface. And now, as I say, this is just the easiest way to line your stamp up absolutely perfectly. So just making sure everything is lined up. I don't know about you, but I have had quite a few stamps that I've tried to line up in the actual putting it on directly, and I'm not very good at it at all, and I get quite a few of the overhang. And look at this, absolutely perfect, absolutely perfect. Lined up perfectly every single time. So really wanted to share with you, it is such a simple way to mount your stamps and to get a success every single time. So happy stamping. Thank you for watching my tip, and don't forget to visit my website karenhadler.com and subscribe to my newsletters for lots more tips and news of things that are happening. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.